Okay, as promised, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to talk about the midbrain, which is the second structure. In the previous video, we talked about the hindbrain. As you can see, the midbrain connects the hind and the rest of the forebrain. Midbrain, it controls our eye movements. When you're fixated on an object and trying to move your head, the eyeball muscles should contract in a way that you can focus on the object. These automatic eye movements are controlled by the midbrain. And as you know, it connects the hind and forebrain. There's another important thing that we discussed in the previous video about the pons and medulla. Sensitive fibers coming from spinal cord and other parts, eventually they crisscross here, right? And in here, the medulla, pons, and also in the midbrain to form a structure called RAS. RAS passing all along these structures eventually takes information to the thalamus, which is a part of the forebrain. Now, what is this RAS? RAS is the reticular articulating system. You can see the input from touch, temperature receptors, all the senses except one, olfaction, smell, goes to thalamus first. From there, it goes to the forebrain, especially the cortical structure of the forebrain. So hindbrain, midbrain, and it goes to the thalamus. From there, it goes to the cortices of the forebrain. This reticular system makes one vigilant and be attentive even when you are not. Imagine you have a kid and you're watching TV and the baby is sleeping in the crib. Even if the TV sound is loud, you would still respond to your baby crying, right? In other words, your brain, the reticular articulating system is scanning through the environment for the most important information. So RAS is that system that helps you be aware of your surroundings, especially the things that you really value. So now the forebrain. Here I'm going to stop again, just so this will be a quick video. In the next video, we'll talk about the forebrain, especially we'll talk about the subcortical structures of the forebrain. And in the last video, we'll talk about the cortical structure, the cerebral cortex.